Sipsan Tai Tai Leku. My name is Princess Asuncion Marzo, and I'm 34 years old. I am from Rocon Palma de Quirino, Philippines. I am married. I have 3 sons, aged 11, 12, 5, one daughter, aged 15. My highest educational attainment, high school graduate. My hobbies are washing, ironing, cooking, and baking. And I'm a pet lover. I have 3 dogs and 2 cats. My expertise are childcare and elderly care. I work as a domestic helper in Saudi for 2 years. I serve one couple and 2 children aged 17 and 20 and their grandchild aged 7 years old. My duties are taking care of the children and elderly, cooking, cleaning, doing laundry, ironing, cash washing, marketing, and gardening. I want to work in Hong Kong because I want to earn and save money for my family and the future of my kids. I'm willing to take good care of elderly and a newborn baby. I can sing nursery song like Eating sugar, no papa. Taking lies, no papa. Open your mouth, ha ha ha. To my future employer, mom and sir, please choose me as your housemate because I'm hardworking, honest, obedient, and trustworthy. I promise to be a good housemate and I promise to prioritize my job and finish my 2 years contract or more. Thank you, mom and sir, and I'm looking forward to work with you as soon as possible.